Right into this world, all alone.
You're sitting on my house?
Taking you in for questioning.
For what?
The attack at Answers.
Now.
Sure we're gonna do this.
Very bad timing. It's obvious what Jack's thinking now. Oh, never mind, actually. Teddy called them to bring him in, to protect him. Ah. Wow, what the fuck? Guess she felt lonely, huh?
Jax knows that it was you who gave up the club, okay? You gotta get out of Charming now.
You ratted me out?
No.
Indirectly, yes.
Anything I can do?
No. No. I got it.
Just go to Jack's and have a nice talk. I'm sure you can straighten this out.
Still falling apart, ain't it, Jackie? Turning to shit. Not for long. I see an end.
The shit is falling apart for years already, so it's a bit hard to believe there ever will be an end. Unless, of course, they all die.
His old man's black.
You gotta be kidding me.
No. There's no paperwork. It's time we change a few bylaws.
It's actually what I suggested. Just change these damn laws.
Where's Abel?
Oh. He's playing with Juice. He's waiting for you.
There you go. Have a nice talk.
Do you want to earn your way back in? A pardon.
He's very generous with those second chances, huh? First Gemma, now Juice. Oh, Tick actually too.
This club is all I got. You know that. Just tell me what you need me to do.
Spy on Clay.
Killing the nomads, the attacks on me and Unser, that all happened because of your pal, Clay.
Shit.
What?
Frankie tried to tell me that.
Mention the safe.
The nomads stole a safe from his house, but gave Clay back all the legal shit.
What legal shit, actually?
You help me bring Clay down, or you lose your patch. And I think you know what killing another member gets you.
I'm in.
Of course you are. The life of a rat suits you. The Giant. How'd they even know he'd be released today?
You're exactly what we want, Tara.
All about our practice, the town, the schools, hopefully everything you'll need to say yes. Fair enough. Thank you.
So, the question is, what's going to destroy this nice deal for her? Ooh, a royal visit.
They trailed Hightower to a club outside of Oakland. All right, let's go. All right. Yeah.
Hightower? That's the Giant's name? Straight out of Police Academy, huh?
I gave Luann this crucifix my mother gave me. I just want to wear it for a few minutes. You know, maybe say a prayer or something.
Is there some kind of poison hidden in it or something? Just seems very weird, this request.
I got wind of RICO case against us. I think Otto might be involved. You hear anything?
Nothing more than I already told Jax.
Great.
What's bothering you?
Clay's the one behind the nomad attacks.
Oh, what a surprise.
Oh, man. These bikes look familiar.
On those bikes. Yeah, exactly. Those bastards. Grim bastards? Something like that?
Why are you looking for him?
You killed Opie. county.
Shit.
Is he one of your guys' cousins, or what's the connection?
He hired us to protect him. I didn't know it was from you.
Well, we'll be buying out your contract.
Ain't that simple. He's my cousin, man.
Fucking called it. Who did he just shoot? A prospect, right? Those guys drop like flies. Tires. Tires? Oh, now you did it.
Yo, we had no idea Randy was involved in Oak's death, man.
Well, now you know. Well, we find him.
Wait, all the prospects were still standing here. Did he shoot one of the bastards?
A couple other guys with your cousin when they took out Opie. Why don't you let us talk to him? We'll get those names, throw him a beating, but we'll let him live.
I don't believe you.
I went through Luann's shit in storage. It's gotta be this.
Yeah, that looks right.
Doesn't look like this has anything to do with poison, but maybe he will strangle himself? Or maybe there are some sharp edges on this thing?
Jax's. Push him there. Kill the Rico leverage you got.
How's he doing that?
He's getting a Delaney. Guy who gave him history.
Looks like we both have something to lose.
Great.
MC's got to stay in the picture. They've been really good for us.
Yeah, you're right. If that push comes to that shove, we'd need you more than Jax.
He's desperate to keep this thing alive.
You can do a lot with a desperate man. What's your end?
All up for discussion. Nothing greedy.
Sounds fair. Thinking beyond the street.
Just taking your lead, man.
Your best buddies.
How much longer you need Traeger on that leash?
Until he found a way to kill you.
I need an end date.
Episode 13 of this season. That will be your end, I'm guessing.
I need your word, man.
Yeah, okay.
You better take off, dude, and arrange your cousin's funeral.
Randall, listen, they gave me their word, all right? Just put the gun down, man.
As soon as he spills the beans about those other guys involved, he's dead.
His name was Aldo. Smith, I think. Other guys, I just knew their first name. Fox and Mace.
Those names kinda stand out. That's enough. Kill him.
I got that.
Jesus Christ! What is this shit? You gave me your word, man!
And so did you. You said you were gonna deliver him. You didn't.
But you didn't really give him much time. Are you serious?
Who the hell are you?
The guy who lost his best friend.
What you did back there was wrong. And it hurts all of us.
No, you might be right. But you didn't see the pleasure in that animal's face when he caved in Opie's skull. We did!
That's what we had to do, Jackie.
I know.
And only 4 more to go.
Things are gonna get bloody, brother. I need to know that I have you in my corner.
Of course.
I've always been there. And I always will.
I love you, kid. You understand?
I'm gonna get cleaned up.
What's the significance of this gun?
You get to this point in your life, and you start to wonder, are you chasing after shit you don't even want anymore? I'm exhausted, son.
So you're not using the Galindo guys?
Watch my back. Please.
And this is getting tragic now. Apparently he doesn't even want the power anymore. All he wants is Gemma at this point, I guess.
Next to my heart. Can I get a minute alone? It's been very long.
Don't. He wants to kill himself. Rest in peace, Otto.
What do you want,
Oh,
Delaney?
never mind.
Get me the hell out of here.
Someone else is going to kill him.
You don't look sick to me, Delaney.
Oh, never mind. He's going to kill himself.
What are you doing?
Oh, never mind. What the fuck is going on?
Yeah.
Sons live. Redwood bleeds.
No. No.
Why? So they finally kill him, or what?
You do know I'm gonna expect some labor in exchange for the space.
I'll work on my pole dancing.
Otto reversed his RICO statement. He killed a nurse. Brutally.
How does that reverse the statement?
Now the feds will have to throw out his testimony.
Really? That easy?
He did that with you there.
With the crucifix he gave Luann. He asked me to bring it to him. Shit. He had it all planned, Jax.
Oh, that means you're fucked, right?
He saved the MC, but he needed to hurt you. The way you hurt him, someone you loved. They're gonna find out I gave him that murder weapon, who I am, why.
Why would he need to hurt Jax? Jax hasn't done anything to him.
He made me an accessory to murder.
I'm not gonna let that happen. We're gonna get through this like we do everything else.
That's what scares me the most.
Problems keep piling up, huh, dude? A lot of stuff to resolve in 3 episodes.